Well, good morning or afternoon. We are here at our healing circle today in South Shore.
We're going to have 3 or maybe 4 workshops where we just kind of bring different community leaders and artists together and talk about what are the things that are happening, what are the things that may have happened before, what are the histories, and then looking forward to the future.
And you know what's so beautiful about Marquette Park, and you can see it's the greenery, the trees.
It's a teacher over there at Douglas Park, Elaine. She teaches dance to the.
We're having gallery nights. We did them maybe every 3 months, 2 or 3 months, and we would do them in the Homer Square Community Center.
This bench represents like the start of my cultural engagement in Burger Park.
I was a voracious reader as a kid and in high school, and there was a bookstore, a second-hand bookstore that I used to live in.
Edgewater has this very vibrant theater district. So just this little cycle is very, very representative of my experience in the neighborhood.
So just close your eyes and imagine that you're standing somewhere in the neighborhood. I want you to just start imagining right before your eyes what it might look like if everybody in the community was nourished the way that they needed to be.